Hi everybody! Today we'll figure out how to deploy an Invoice smart contract. Go to the main page of Smartz.io and click on the Login button. For authorization, unlock MetaMask wallet and then click on the Login with your Ethereum signature button. The MetaMask window appears. Press the Sign button to sign the transaction. Next, go to the store and select Invoice Smart Contract. To create a contract, fill in the following fields. DApp name. This is the name of the app that you will see in the Smartz dashboard. Invoice amount. Enter the amount of Ether that should be paid for a product or a service. Beneficiary address. Enter the address of the person who will receive Ether for the provided services. Short message. Fill in this field to leave a message for the payee. For instance, you can specify the subject of an invoice. Payer address. Fill in this field if an invoice is meant to be paid by a specific person. In this case, any other receipts will be returned. You can also set an expiration date for the invoice. Any transfers received after the expiration will be returned. The next field allows to specify the party that will be able to withdraw funds in case the invoice has been paid only partially before the expiration. After all necessary fields have been filled in, click on the Proceed button. The platform will generate the code for the smart contract. Then click on the Deploy button. The MetaMask window will appear. To confirm the transaction, press the Confirm button. Now, wait a bit until the transaction is mined and included in the blockchain. Excellent! Your smart contract has been sent to the network successfully. You can see a link to the transaction on the Ethereum network in the description. After a while, the transaction will be confirmed, and you will see a link to the contracts in Etherscan and a link to the Smartz dashboard, where you will be able to manage the contract. Thank you for your attention. Till next time.